special thank you to all of my new subs and all the people that have subscribed to me for all of these years. We have finally hit 5,000, so that's very exciting for me. When I started this channel, I never expected to get this many people to subscribe to it. I actually started out doing the clarinet choir videos, the covers that are so popular now, but as a clarinet teacher, I had a lot of students that were coming to me with bad habits that were a little bit frustrating, and I would say, oh, where did you learn to do that? We have to sort of undo it and start all over again. And they'd say, I learned it on YouTube. And I'd say, don't watch YouTube videos. You need a real teacher, and you need to be able to get good fundamentals and a nice technique and a good foundation. And then I went to YouTube and I thought, you know what, I might as well join everybody. And I started making clarinet tutorials for my own students. So I never thought I'd get past more than a couple hundred. So this is my big thank you to everybody, and I wanted to read some of my favorite comments through the years and share them with you. So this one's from Abby Izaguirre, and she says, I'm very happy to find a channel that explains things so I can follow. As a blind clarinet beginner and an intermediate flute player, running a channel with a person that can explain things well is awesome. And that one really, really means a lot to me. I try and explain everything really well for my students anyway, but it didn't occur to me that I would be explaining how to play the clarinet to people that actually couldn't see the videos themselves. Every time I make a video, I try to keep it in mind that there are people out there watching the videos that need detailed explanations, and I'm happy to give it. So thank you so much for your comment and your feedback so that I can be a better clarinet teacher. Now, I know Horse Craver from the live streams that we do, and it's a great comment. My life wouldn't be successful without you, in all caps. One of the things that's important to me as a clarinet teacher and as a person is that what I show you or give advice on, I hope can help you in other ways outside of music as well. I really appreciate this comment a lot because I feel like it talks about a big value of mine, which is being a helpful, kind person in the world. So thank you, Horse Craver. JRR Animations says, wow, thanks, this really helps me show off in class. And I get a lot of comments like this, like, wow, I'm the best one in band class, or I don't have the fanciest clarinet, but I'm the one that can play the theme from Jeopardy or the opening to Star Wars. So that is a big reason why I'm here. Not everybody can afford the fanciest clarinet, and not everybody wants to play the same kind of music. Not everybody has to be a classical musician or a jazz musician. There's so much music in the world, and I want to have all the tutorials of the different kinds of songs so that people can express themselves and play music the way that they are called to do that. So I just like thinking of all these Clarinet Project clarinetists out in the world playing this fun music in band class, and it really makes me happy. This one's from Mariah Seda. And you are my only clarinet teacher, and I am very honored. There are wonderful, great clarinet teachers in the world, so if you ever get to work with one of them in person, I highly recommend it. Even if you can't take consistent lessons, taking lessons in person are usually very, very helpful, but I am very, very honored, and I'm very happy to be your clarinet teacher and all of your clarinet teachers, so thank you so much, Maria. Rachel, when you feel like, oh wow, I suck compared to this girl, bah ha 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 ha. And I responded by saying, I went to music school for 6 years, and I definitely put my time into the practice room. I'm not one of the people where clarinet came easy. I worked really, really hard, and I'm appreciative, and thank you very much, Rachel. JAAPEVG. I had to look up noise. That was the first time I had seen it. That was 4 years ago, and I went online to Urban Dictionary to see what it meant, and it was fantastic. This is from Kiwi Melon. I may or may not have played this at my aunt's funeral. She loved Harry Potter. I thought this was such a beautiful comment. This is from Hedwig's theme, and it was very touching to me that Kiwi Melon played this at their aunt's funeral, that they were able to play it, that they learned it from coming to my channel, and I'm sorry for your loss, but thank you for sharing this with me and with all of us. Eileen E. Her ligature being backwards is giving me OCD. And for those of you that have come to the live streams, and for anybody that has watched my ligature read video, you know how I feel about this comment. My ligature is not on backwards. I have an inverted ligature. But thanks for letting me know. From Daisy Cook, can she be my teacher, please? Clarinets rule. And I also was very, very grateful for this one too, so thank you so much. And yes, of course, I will always be your teacher here on YouTube. My ultimate goal is for you you to be able to teach yourself. Like I said earlier, it's great to get a teacher to work with in person, but come here and you can learn here too. I'm happy to share that with everybody. Okay, the no punch sheep comment is from the Minecraft video I made. So I did a cover of the Minecraft music, and my daughter was building the house in it, and she punched the sheep. I did not punch the sheep. I was just watching because I can't build a house that fast. This is from Chelsea Rufiner. I've been wanting to switch from B-flat clarinet to bass, but I was too scared because I didn't want to learn totally different notes. Now I know that it's the same notes as the B-flat clarinet. Thank you. Yes, isn't that great? This has actually been a comment I get over and over and over again on the bass clarinet videos, so I'm really glad that they're up there and they're helping people. And let's finish up with Zoe Friesen. Oh my God, I can play it. Which I feel like is the crux of the whole channel. Oh gee, I can play it. I want to thank everybody for subscribing. So I have this really awesome clarinet mug, and I'm gonna do a giveaway. So comment below what your next goal for clarinet playing is. What do you want to get better at? What do you want to improve on? So comment, and I'll put all of your names in a hat, and I'll pull out your name, and that's the person that gets the clarinet mug. But I have to do the caveat, I can only send it in America. So sorry everybody international. If you're a bass clarinetist that ends up winning, I have a bass clarinet mug. Just let me know and we'll swap it out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for supporting me. I love having all of you be a part of my clarinet life, and happy practicing.